How to stop Roblox crashing. So if you want to stop the Roblox crashing problem, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Go with the Wi-Fi, which is on the bottom right, and make sure that you've connected to a network and it's stable. Once you've done that, now you need to right click on the taskbar and go with the task manager, or you can simply go with Windows and then search for task manager and then go with the task manager. Open up your task manager, and under your task manager, now if you're using the apps which uses high performance, then you just need to simply right click on that app and then go with end task, and you need to end the task of the application which you're not using, or you can go with the background process, and here you may have the apps that are unused or that are not needed for you right now. So go with that, go to end task. Right click on that and then go to end task. Once you've done that, now your problem might be fixed. You can simply go with end task and your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you can do is you can go with your settings and go with installed apps. And under installed apps, now here you need to simply search for Roblox and go with the three dots which is on the right side. Click on it and then go with uninstall. And uninstall the application and then again install it from your Microsoft Store or your browser. And once you've installed, you need to again log into your account and your problem may be fixed. So once you uninstall, you just need to simply go with the power off. So simply go with shutdown or power off. And once you've done that, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can stop Roblox from crashing. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.